Hello and welcome to my studio journal. Now back in 2022, I started to redesign my home studio, shifting from software to hardware for the first time. What began as a few videos for some curious students soon became an ongoing unfiltered record. Okay, so it seems to be working pretty well. When I play Machine Plus on the desk, we can see the bars moving on the mixer. Question is, are they going to come through on the speakers? Okay, so the right source has been selected. I got the volume just a little bit up, but not too crazy because once again, it's like now it's probably 2 o'clock in the morning. Let's see what happens when we play some notes. If we select, well, it seems to be working. All right. I'll check, but I can't hear any buzzing and hissing right out of the bat. So I think we have a clear signal. Today I have a pretty busy day, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to work in the studio that much. So I'm going to run the last set of lines to the Machine Plus on the inputs. That way I can just patch straight out and sample straight to the Machine Plus. Because right now there's a lot of cords just lying around underneath the desk, like extra cord from these runs right here. Because it's getting a little bit, it's 2:30 now in the morning. I'm not going to be tacking these things in and organizing all that stuff. I'm just going to make the runs and then I'll do that tomorrow. So as for right now, I'm kind of done for tonight. I got the cords labeled, but I lost the pen like 5 times in a row so far. Yeah, it's time to go to bed. It's now, 2:48? Well past my bedtime. So anyhow, we'll carry on with tomorrow, do some testing, and then tuning the speakers, and then I think it's basically done. So it's getting closer. Good night, and we'll see you in the morning. If you'd like to follow the full journey, check out my online studio journal linked in the description. Until next time, I'm just a music teacher having fun. Catch you on the next one.